the farmers, backbone of economy and food security. Food security. Indian farmers produce many crops such as grams, peas, etc. and many oil cereals and export to other country to generate high income and import citizens to secure a food. Next, the 2020-21 farmers protest demands and impact. MSP minimum support price. MSP schemes allow to Modi government to stable a fixed income. Dharmila government allowed to many farms to best regulations and farmer welfare. Impact is farmers many influence and creates many policies to generate high incomes. Technologies, innovations for smarter farming. Many technologies used in agriculture field such as robotics, drones, sensors, mobile apps. Drone technologies, all of students know about the drones and drone technologies is used in spray the crops and maintain the area in hectares. etc. Sensors. Many sensors used in to detections of soil humidity. etc. Mobile apps. Many mobile apps related to agriculture fields such as central apps and analysis the data and predictions of market. Next, sustainable farming practices and environment safeguards. Organic farming. Organic farming's main purpose related to eco-friendly and reduces the chemicals. Water conservation terms related to saving water and focus the drip irrigations. Renewable energies. Many sources of energies such as fossil fuels and whose fuels are focuses the eco-friendly systems, improve market access and price stability for farmers. Direct marketing. Direct marketing is a strategy to connect the farmers and consumers and produce an online connection via the applications. Supply chain optimizations. Supply chain optimizations is a term to supply a food via a simple chain. Price stabilization mechanism. Price stabilization mechanism is a term to stable a price, and government starts the many schemes to allow the fixed price whose farmers generate fixed income. Empowering women in Indian agriculture. This term main purpose role of Indian women and girls in agriculture field. Access to resources. Access to many girls and women access in agriculture field many resources and generate a fixed income. Skill development. Government allowed to many development schemes whose study related to agriculture and farmers increase the agriculture growth. Leadership roles. Leadership is the main quality and many groups allow to generates and promotes agriculture knowledge and increase the benefit growth of agriculture. The road ahead supporting India's farming community by many investigations and research, government education purpose and scientific report farmers and nations. Thank you. At last, my presentations.